Well, the BJP is banking on the Modi wave for a rerun of May 16 in Maharashtra after the split up with Shiv Sena. With long-standing alliances crumbling, the stakes are high now for the regional players as the Sena hopes to make a comeback after 15 years.
हम लोग अपना मार्ग पकड़कर कांग्रेस और राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस मुक्त महाराष्ट्र करने की दृष्टि से अग्रसर होंगे।
इस तरह से ये बात चलते गई, कोई फैसला होते नहीं रहा है और इस वजह से हमने ये फैसला किया है कि हम इस आगे आने वाले विधानसभा के चुनाव में हमारे स्वतंत्र तौर पर हम इस चुनाव को लड़ेंगे।
That declaration, just days ahead of the Maharashtra battle, completely changed the dynamics in the state. Allies of 25 years parting ways, with the BJP banking on the Modi wave, hoping for a May 16 return in Maharashtra.
We have decided that this challenge will be converted into opportunity and BJP will form government in Maharashtra.
But the split in votes could give Raj Thakre's MNS an edge that has entered the fray as the fifth challenger. On the other side, NCP has snapped ties with the Congress after the humiliating defeat in the Lok Sabha polls. They are now hoping to make an impression in the state polls, banking on Muslim and Dalit vote bank.
Pawar Senior wanted the secular alliance to be intact.
Who do you think then pushed for the split?
I think Mr. Ajit Pawar, had the last word.
A politically charged atmosphere where allies turn contenders in what will be a five-cornered contest Maharashtra. But in politics, bonhomie and rivalry are both short-lived, and the equations could change once the mandate is out. Bureau Report, Times Now.